Today we are taking a tour of the Heritage floor plan. It's one of Neil Community's floor plans here in Skysail, Naples. Let's take a tour. All right, we're gonna take a tour of the Heritage, which is part of the Cruise Home series here from Neil Homes. 2-story floor plan, 2-car garage, a little more traditional looking. Here we go. All right. Reminds me of my home when I was in high school with that staircase right off the front door. Nice entryway here with the sightline all the way back. Don't forget the half bath right here. We've got a side kitchen, still nice and open living, with a triple slider out to your lanai. Skysail is located in Naples, Florida, and it is a gas community. So you do have a primary on the first floor with this floor plan. I love it. Look at all the windows letting in all the natural light. And we've got our primary ensuite bathroom. The linen closet, double sinks, water closet, nice big walk-in shower, and a big walk-in closet here. Really nice size. All right, coming to the back of the kitchen here. Great walk-in pantry and dedicated laundry room with a closet. They have added cabinets in as an option, but having that extra linen closet is really nice. All right, we're gonna head outside and check out the lanai. This floor plan has one of my favorite features, which is the nesting sliders. We often get asked, what does that mean? Here's what it means. They nest all the way in here, the outside, which gives you a nice wide opening, bringing the outside in and vice versa. A little bit of covered space here. And we get asked this a lot too, so I'm actually glad this is up. So when you add a pool in the state of Florida, you're required to have it, you either have to have this fence around the pool for safety, or you have to have alarms on all the doors and window openings that open out to the pool. So there are little holes drilled into the floor, and you can see how easy this is, except for I don't know if I can do it one-handed. For the record, I cannot get that undone one-handed, but it rolls up nice and easy if you're not needing it, and you can store it somewhere. Most people store it in the garage or wherever it might go, and then you have it available to put up very easily in the event that you need it for little kids, dogs, pets, whoever. All right, we're gonna take a quick peek at the garage before we head upstairs. So standard 2-car Florida garage. And let's go on up. All right, coming up here to the top of the stairs, you open right into a really nice sized loft. Great option to have a secondary living. And let's check out the bedrooms. Bedroom number 2. This has a nice walk-in closet. It's been pretty consistent with most of Neil's floor plans. All right, here we go with another bedroom. Bedroom number 3. And you know what's coming next? The walk-in closet. And bedroom number 4. Oh, this one made a liar of me. Standard Florida side-by-side closet. No walk-in in this one, but this is a good sized bedroom. Look how cute that is up on the ceiling. And of course, full-size bathroom up here for all of these upstairs bedrooms. So this is the Heritage by Neil. What'd you think? I would love to hear your feedback on what you think of this floor plan. Is this something that you could see yourself and your family living in? If you have any questions about this or any other home in Southwest Florida, I would love to talk with you. You can text me or call me directly at 239-776-6872.